It's Joe, and this is my next project. This is about how the rear end's gonna sit in here. I was not planning on cutting out this tunnel, but I don't have much room. I'm gonna end up having to cut this tunnel out. And this piece, this is a J-bar. It's a panhard bar that they use on circle track cars, on dirt mostly, I think. And on a dirt car, the panhard bar would go over like that. Since they're only turning left, this guide raises up, puts a little weight on the rear end. We're not going to use it that way. We're going to use it for a top link, top third link. And it's going to go right down through there. And I'm going to build a plate that'll hold this right about there. And then we'll have a panhard bar that'll go right across here. We're not going to have much action up and down. Not much travel at all, but we'll have some. So I think the first thing I want to do is I'll take these bolts out and I'll make a little pattern for this out of paper. Something like that. That could have been a little further in. Let me see. Maybe okay. We'll make it okay. I think that's going to go on there about like that. That ought to do it. Nothing left but the cutting. Now here we go. Now we're going to cut it. All right, a little sanding, a little drilling, a little chilling. I think it needs a little bath in the muriatic acid. 1 minute. Look how clean that gets with a little bath in muriatic acid. That's the same stuff they put in swimming pools. You're swimming in it all the time. And that goes on the car about like that. This little heim joint, these brackets are going to fit right up under there. So they're going to go right there. And we're going to weld that on right now. If I can get a little ground on it, and we'll tack it on. And that's another one of those things. I'm gonna get Aaron to weld this thing on here. I'm just gonna tack it just a touch. All right, I think he can handle it from there. I don't mind welding some of this stuff, but when I really need it right, when you absolutely positively have to have it right, Aaron's gonna do it. This comes out. That was just a spacer. And that goes right in there. That's awfully big. I don't know if I care for it being that big, but I bought it. I'm using it. I paid for it. Let's see if it mounts on the car. Let's go look. That's about right. That's gonna go on there. I didn't bring the bolt too good. And that's gonna mount on that. Come on, I don't need to be doing this with one hand. Hold on 1 second. There we go. I'll bolt it on. That is nice and clean. That'll get welded nicely. The third link will run up beside the drive shaft. Not touching, just to the left, and we'll build a front bracket up there. The Panhard bar will come right across here and be on this. So it'll be about 12 to 13 inches long there, and it'll leave a lot of room on top here. Cool. Hey, thanks for tuning in.